as we continue through the rocky area. We're constantly on the lookout. Co-driver is outside the vehicle to make sure we're choosing the right route all the time and guiding the vehicle through, that we don't get any areas where the ground clearance or the approach angle is not good enough. We run into a bit of trouble there, and Dominic will just slightly backtrack and change the angle of approach rather than spin continuously until the ELS kicks in, and take a safer route through the rocks, constantly keeping a lookout for sharp rocks, loose rocks and bigger boulders that he can't negotiate with the vehicle. Once again, the reason why approach angle and departure angle as well as ground clearance is important, not the millimeters that we have, but you must know by heart if your car and yourself can go through the area.